He was born to a poor family, sold newspapers as a child, failed to become a fighter pilot, but still became the face of India's space and missile programs, and later the people's president. This is the inspiring story of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a man who proved that with dreams, dedication, and humility, anything is possible. APJ Abdul Kalam, the boy who touched the sky. Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam was born in 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. His father was a boat owner. The family wasn't rich. In fact, M. Kalam sold newspapers to support his education, but what he had was curiosity and dreams that soared higher than the skies. He studied physics and later aeronautical engineering. His dream to become a pilot, he applied to the Indian Air Force but ranked ninth and only 8 were selected. He was heartbroken, but instead of giving up, he shifted his focus to space, rockets, and science. Kalam joined ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization, and helped launch India's first satellite vehicle. Later, he joined DRDO and led India's missile development programs. He became known as the Missile Man of India for his work on Agni and Prithvi missiles. But beyond rockets and warheads, he loved books, teaching, and students. He believed science should serve the people and that education was the most powerful weapon. In 2002, APJ Abdul Kalam became the 11th President of India, a scientist in the highest political office. But he never stopped being a teacher. He met children, spoke at schools, and inspired generations with his words and actions. He refused luxuries. He lived simply, thought deeply, and worked tirelessly even after his presidency. His speeches were full of hope. He once said, "Dream is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that does not let you sleep." Dr. Kalam passed away doing what he loved, delivering a lecture to students in Shillong in 2015. Even in his final moments, he was inspiring minds. Today, he is remembered not just as a scientist or a president, but as a role model, a visionary, and a teacher of the people. His life teaches us never let failure define you. Serve others with what you know, and always stay humble no matter how high you raise. If you're inspired by the story, like, share, and subscribe for more powerful journeys that prove one idea can change the world. See you tomorrow with another inspiring story. Bye.